Have you been waiting for Google to finally show off a foldable phone that could really compete with Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 7? Well, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold might just be it, and thanks to a detailed leak from WinFuture's Roland Quant, we pretty much know everything about it before its official reveal alongside the Pixel 10, 10 Pro, and 10 Pro 40 on August 20th. The Pixel 10 Pro Fold will feature a massive 8-inch OLED Super Actua Flex primary display with a resolution of 2150 by 2076 pixels, 3000 nits peak brightness, and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, giving you vibrant colors and ultra-fluid scrolling. On the outside, there's a 6.4-inch OLED Actua secondary screen with 2360 by 1080 pixel resolution, the same 3000 nits brightness, and 120Hz refresh support, so you can check notifications, take selfies, or play games even when it's folded. Under the hood, it will run on Google's new Tensor G5 system on chip, paired with 16GB of RAM and storage options of 256GB, 512GB, and even 1TB using UFS 4.0 storage technology, which should make app loading, multitasking, and file transfers lightning fast. Security is handled by the Titan M2 chip, and the device will ship with Android 16, promising 7 years of OS updates, security patches, and feature drops, which is impressive for a foldable. Photography is covered by a triple camera setup, a 48-megapixel primary camera with f1.7 aperture, a 10.5-megapixel ultrawide with f2.2 aperture, and a 10.8-megapixel telephoto with f3.1 aperture and 10x optical zoom, while selfies come from a 10-megapixel front-facing camera and a 10-megapixel cover camera, both with f2.2 aperture. The phone packs a 5015 mAh battery, rated for up to 72 hours in extreme power-saving mode, with 30-watt wired and 15-watt wireless charging, so you can keep using it all day and still get a fast top-up when needed. Build quality is solid, with an aerospace-grade aluminum frame, an IP68 water and dust resistance, and it weighs 258 grams. Measuring 155 by 76.3 by 10.8 millimeters folded and 155 by 150.4 by 5.2 millimeters unfolded. Connectivity is cutting edge with Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6, NFC, and dual SIM support, while audio comes from stereo speakers and 3 microphones with surround sound. The Pixel 10 Pro Fold also has a side-mounted fingerprint sensor and AI features, like Gemini Nano, Gemini Live, Circle to Search, and Call Assist. Compared to the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, the new model is slightly thicker and heavier, but the trade-off is a bigger battery and a higher IP68 rating, plus a tiny improvement in secondary display size, faster wired and wireless charging, and doubling the telephoto zoom from 5x to 10x. While the camera system itself hasn't drastically changed, the combination of battery, water resistance, display quality, and build make the Pixel 10 Pro Fold a strong contender in the foldable space, especially for those willing to wait until the expected release on October 9th. Overall, it looks like Google is balancing incremental upgrades with meaningful improvements, making the Pixel 10 Pro Fold a device that could finally bring Android foldables into the spotlight. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on all the latest news about Google's foldable phone and other upcoming tech releases.